Hello, entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. Today, we delve into a critical topic, the importance of local SEO for small businesses. Let's get right into it. You might be wondering, what exactly is local SEO? Simply put, local SEO, or search engine optimization, is a method of optimizing a business's online presence to attract more local customers. It's about making sure that when someone in your area searches for the goods or services you offer, your business pops up in the top search results. Now let's talk about why local SEO is a game changer for small businesses. Imagine having a tool that could make your business more visible to potential customers in your area. Wouldn't that be fantastic? That's what local SEO does. It's like having a digital billboard that's only visible to people who are most likely to become your customers. Studies have consistently shown that a significant percentage of online searches have a local intent. This means that when someone searches for a cafe near me or best local plumber, they're not just casually browsing. They're looking for a business like yours, and they're ready to buy. Local SEO ensures your business is there in these crucial moments, ready to welcome these potential customers. Local SEO involves several key elements, including optimizing your Google My Business listing, garnering positive reviews, ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, and using location-specific keywords. Each of these elements helps to increase your visibility in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. So, what's the bottom line? Mastering local SEO can be a game changer for small businesses. It can enhance your visibility in local search results, increase foot traffic to your physical location, and help you build a stronger connection with your local community. And in today's digital world, that's more important than ever. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the power of local SEO in the upcoming scenes. Remember, the local community is searching for you. Make sure they find you. Studies have consistently shown that a significant percentage of searches have local intent. But what does this mean exactly? Well, when you're craving a pizza and you whip out your phone to type "best pizza place near me," or when your sink is overflowing and you're urgently Googling "emergency plumber in my area," you're demonstrating local intent. You're not just looking for any pizza place or plumber, you're looking for one that's conveniently located near you. Now imagine if you're the owner of that pizza place or plumbing service. Wouldn't you want your business to pop up first when someone in your area is desperately searching for the services you offer? That's where local SEO comes into play. It's a strategy designed to make your business more visible in these local searches, in these crucial moments when potential customers are actively seeking what you provide. Local SEO isn't simply about getting your business's name out there. It's about strategically positioning your business in the path of local customers who are ready to engage with you. It's about making sure your business is the first thing they see when they search for a product or service in your area. So, how does local SEO do this? Well, it starts with understanding how search engines work. When a customer types in a query, search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine which businesses are most relevant to that query and where those businesses are located. Local SEO helps you optimize your online presence in a way that aligns with these algorithms, increasing the likelihood that your business will appear at the top of local search results. But local SEO isn't just about appearing in search results. It's also about standing out once you're there. It's about having a compelling business description, high-quality images, and positive reviews that draw customers in. It's about providing all the information customers need to choose your business over the competition, right there in the search results. In conclusion, local SEO ensures your business appears in these crucial moments. It helps you attract more local customers, drive more traffic to your website and physical location, and ultimately grow your business. So if you're a small business owner, understanding and leveraging the power of local SEO could be a game changer for you. So, what does local SEO involve? It's not just about being found on search engines. It's about being found by the right people, the locals who are looking for what you offer. This requires a strategic approach that encompasses several key components. First, there's the Google My Business listing. This is your business's profile on Google, and it's where you'll provide all your essential details, from your address and contact information to your operating hours. It's crucial to keep this information accurate and up to date, as it's often the first thing potential customers see when they find you online. Secondly, you need to focus on earning positive reviews. These reviews act as social proof and can greatly influence a potential customer's decision-making process. The more positive reviews you have, the more trustworthy and appealing your business appears. But remember, It's not just about the quantity of reviews, but also the quality. Respond to all reviews, good or bad, in a timely and professional manner. This shows you value your customers' feedback and are committed to providing excellent service. Next, we have the mobile-friendly website. In this day and age, a significant portion of online searches are conducted on mobile devices. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, you risk losing potential customers who might find it difficult to navigate your site or make a purchase. Lastly, there's the use of location-specific keywords. These are keywords that include your city, town, or neighborhood. By incorporating these into your website content, you're telling search engines exactly where you are and what you do. This makes it easier for them to match your business with local search queries. These are the key components of an effective local SEO strategy. Each plays a vital role in making your business more visible to local customers, helping you stand out in a crowded digital landscape, and ultimately driving more traffic to your physical and online locations. Remember, the more optimized your local SEO strategy, the better your chances of being found by the customers who matter most, the locals. The benefits of local SEO, you might ask? Well, let me tell you, they are vast and directly impact the success of your small business. One of the most immediate benefits of local SEO is enhanced visibility in local search results. When your business pops up in those coveted top spots, it's like having a billboard in prime time at the busiest intersection in town. Except this billboard is available 24/7, and it's not just locals who see it, but anyone searching in your area. Now imagine this increased visibility translating into increased foot traffic. This is the magic of local SEO. When people find your business easily online, they're more likely to visit your physical location. It's like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs from the virtual world to your front door. But it's not just about getting people to your door, it's about building relationships. This is where local SEO really shines. By focusing on your local community, you strengthen your connection with the very people who are most likely to become your customers. You're not just a business on a map, you become a part of the neighborhood. This community connection can lead to increased loyalty and customer retention. Think about it. People love to support their local businesses. They love to feel a part of something bigger. With local SEO, you can tap into this sense of community and use it to your advantage. And let's not forget about the credibility and trust that come with appearing in local search results. When your business appears in these results, it sends a message that you are a legitimate, trustworthy business. It gives potential customers the confidence to choose you over your competitors. So, increased visibility, foot traffic, community connection, customer loyalty, and trust. These are just a few of the benefits that come with a well-executed local SEO strategy. It's not just about being found, it's about being chosen. And with local SEO, you're giving your business the best chance to be just that, chosen. Never underestimate the power of reviews. They serve as the digital word of mouth, significantly influencing consumer behavior. Positive reviews can be the deciding factor between you and your competition. They build trust and credibility, and they are a clear indication of a well-loved local business. And let's not forget, the more positive reviews you have, the more likely you are to rank higher in search results. But it's not just about reviews. Higher search rankings are your ticket to visibility and customer engagement. A well-executed local SEO strategy can propel your business up the ranks, making your website more accessible to potential customers. This can lead to increased web traffic, higher conversion rates, and ultimately, more sales. In the world of local SEO, reviews are your reputation, and search rankings are your visibility. Both are crucial for your online and offline success. Positive reviews and higher search rankings are crucial components of successful local SEO. In conclusion, for small businesses aiming to thrive in today's digital landscape, investing in local SEO is not just beneficial, it's essential. We've journeyed through the world of local SEO, understanding its power and how it can transform your business. We've seen how it targets the local customer base, bringing your business front and center when they search for services or products like yours. By optimizing your Google My Business listing, earning positive reviews, ensuring a mobile-friendly website, and harnessing location-specific keywords, you can enhance your visibility, attract more foot traffic, and foster a stronger bond with your local community. The power of reviews and higher search rankings cannot be emphasized enough. In this digital age, being visible and credible online is a game changer. So, take the leap into local SEO and watch your small business thrive. Stay tuned for more insights, and remember, the local community is searching for you. Make sure they find